Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Accidental Beauty. If you're new, welcome. My name is Laura. I post videos once a week, mainly about makeup and sometimes about hair, fashion, lifestyle, beauty, skincare, wigs, all that good stuff. This month, however, the month of June, I'm changing my upload schedule just a little bit. I'll be doing 2 videos a week instead of 1 in honor of Pride Month. In each video, I'll be doing a different look inspired by the rainbow. So this is the 3rd video in the series, and obviously I did a yellow themed monochromatic look. So if you guys want to see how I did this, then please keep on watching.
when I'm lonely in the dark, I know you are with me, yeah. Don't you see that I need you so much? Don't you see that I love you so much? Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, darling, I need your love. Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, darling, I need your love.
The back and forth has got me so messed up. Don't ignore the signs. We've had enough of the whole damn thing that we got going. You hold the strings without me knowing. Why do I have to suffer through the thinking? Why do I have the feeling that we're sinking? I need to find a way. Find a way. Find a way. Find a way out. Find a way out. Find a way. Find a way out. Find a way out. Find a way. Find a way out. What's all this for? It's got me turned around, but I can't ignore the feelings that I found in this whole damn thing that we got going. You hold the strings without me knowing. Why do I have to suffer through the thinking? Why do I have the feeling that we're sinking? I need to find a way. Find a way. Find a way. Find a way out. Find a way out. Find a way out. Find a way out.
All right, so here's the final look. I am so happy with the way that this look turned out. Not sure if I'm loving the lips. I like them more than the lips that I did in my orange video in this series, but I don't think yellow lipstick is really my color. Other than that, do I have a mirror that I can look at things? Other than that, I'm so happy with the way that the eyes turned out. I'm actually really impressed with myself at the way that I did the sort of half cut crease graphic liner situation in my crease. That was definitely a challenge for myself. I'm not really great at doing those really precise, thin, detailed like accent lines in the crease, like those types of very like Instagrammy makeup. So I'm pleasantly surprised with the way that that turned out. I think it looks really cool. Obviously it's not perfect, but I'm impressed with myself. I definitely want to push myself and challenge myself and do more things like that. I'm really into graphic liner, even though I suck at it. So I'm trying to challenge myself and do more looks using graphic liner so that I can improve. What else? The yellow blush worked really, really nicely. It's very subtle. Like I used eyeshadow and I expected it to be a bit more pigmented, but I was using a very light hand. So that turned out really, really nice. I know yellow blush, I think it started as a trend in 2019, so last year. I think it's really cool. It's different. It still looks neutral and natural, but there's like a little hint of like something else in there, you know, like a little hint of color, a little hint of being more expressive. I definitely would consider doing something like this, even with day-to-day makeup. Obviously not this whole face, but yellow blush I think could work in more neutral settings where natural makeup is kind of expected. Especially, I don't know how it would work on all skin tones. I have a yellow undertone apparently to my skin, so I feel like it sort of brings it out without me looking too jaundiced. I don't know if that makes sense. I feel like it kind of looks like I used a very light bronzer on my face, so it kind of looks a little more natural. So again, I don't know how it would look on all skin tones, but just talking about myself, it looks nice. I'm really happy with the way that the highlights turned out. I layered a bunch of different highlights because I don't actually have like a straight up, well, okay, I do have a straight up yellow highlighter, but for some reason my ABH Dream Glow Kit, it came a little broken, so I had to repress a lot of the, actually most of the shades came broken. I think one or two weren't, so I had to repress them, which normally isn't a problem, but I feel like all of the shades kind of mixed together, so they all turn out kind of pinky purple. So in order to bring more yellow into this look, I added some of Lemon Drop from Jeffree Star Cosmetics Jawbreaker palette, and I also added some of the, it's a light gold shade, but it kind of looks more white, from the BH Cosmetics Foil-Eyes 2 palette, and I feel like it made a nice kind of goldeny highlight. Kind of lost the straight up yellow tones, but gold is yellow as far as I'm concerned, so I think it's fine. The rest of the eye look is pretty simple. I don't have a ton of yellow eyeshadows, but I'm happy with what I have in my collection. I don't think I really need more. So, except for, I do actually have one other yellow shade. It's a neon, really neon like highlighter yellow. So I felt like I was thinking about including it in my waterline just for an extra pop, but I thought it would be a bit too much, so I decided not to do that. Back to the lips, I don't love them. They're okay. I tried to make them a little darker by adding some brown eyeshadow, and that just, it pulled too ashy. So I went back to the matte yellow. I added a little bit of shimmer just to give it a little more dimension, and I feel like that helped it a bit more. The wig that I'm wearing, it's the first time that I'm wearing it after cutting the lace. I'll link that video once I put it up so you can watch my first impressions of that wig, and I'll also link in the description box, as well as I'll link all the products that I used in the description box. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me on all my socials, I'll link them below. I'll be posting photos of all the looks that I do for the series, so you don't want to miss those, as well as not all, but many of the looks that I do on this channel, I post there. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and turn on notifications, and I'll see you guys next time.